Building 6, room 6361.
Well, fancy meeting you here.
Fancy meeting you here.
Hi everyone, I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe.
On the go.
On the go.
On the go, on the go. We need a little more light. There's a little more light.
Oh, okay. First impressions, it smells great.
Wait. Where are we?
So we are at All Star Sports. We are in the Surfs Up building,
Surfs Up, dude.
Which is building 6. It's number 1 and 6, but we're in 6. And our room number is 6361. So we're on the 3rd floor of building 6. First impressions, it smells so clean and fresh. And look at these beautiful hard floors. Hard surfaced floors.
Versus the soft floors? Or versus floors with carpeting.
Ugh.
We love carpeting, especially in Florida.
Okay,
all right,
so we're going to do a quick room tour for you, and then we're going to do a resort tour for you. We are not going to pull down this bed. This is a Murphy bed. It sleeps 2. But because it's just me and Joe, we're not going to go through that hassle. There are a million other videos you can see.
Yeah, basically you just pull the chairs, get them out of the way.
Yeah.
The table will fold under, and you just pull the handle, and it'll come right out.
Yeah.
And the bed will basically just pop right down, and you've got an extra bed here. But it's nice to have it folded up, so now you have a little more space and a little more room.
Yeah. Okay, so to the left we have the coffee station,
some shelves,
ice bucket, all of the things for the coffees.
A little chiller.
Beverage cooler, a chiller, if you will. We've got a nice queen bed with nightstands on either side. Let's
turn on some lights.
All the things. The cutest art.
Get the light on the other side. Yeah.
Yeah, the cutest art.
So the All-Stars were refurbished a few years ago. They're basically all the same when it comes to the rooms and the style of the rooms. The difference will be the way the resort itself is, themed. This has got all sports stuff, which we'll show you here in a few minutes when we head out.
And we've never stayed here before.
Yeah, this is...
So after tonight, we only have one Disney hotel to check off, and that is the Boardwalk Inn.
Which we're going to do that very soon. Just depends on what their schedule is for refurbishment. So, anyway, all right.
So you've got your TV.
Yep.
Nice
big TV.
Storage. Extra pillows.
Oh, there's extra pillow. Wait, we've got, hold on a second. Hold
the phone,
on.
Kids.
6 pillows on the bed.
Yes.
And there's 2 more here.
There's
now,
2
okay.
more. Now, mind you, they're for there.
They're going to be for this bed here.
Right.
But still, we have a total of 8 pillows that we could use tonight, Jen.
You got the safe. You got the word of the Lord.
Oh, yes. Praise Jesus.
Praise Jesus. Okay, we've got some drawers. Don't need to pull them all out. They're all the same.
Well, maybe there's somebody who left something in one of these drawers, like some money. Maybe there's a bag of money.
There's not.
No money. Oh, well.
Okay, so love how we can hang up our coats for the night because it is a little chilly in Central
maybe
Florida.
They would pull out, but okay.
Okay, walking into the bathroom, we've got some storage. You can hang your clothes, hangers. We got the ironing board. We've got the iron. We've got a blow dryer. We've got some Kleenex. Oh, this is new.
Oh,
I like that.
so we got hand soap and body lotion.
From non-H2O.
Well, the non-H2O
we
products.
do have
but
the
there's
bath
a
soap.
bar.
So we've got towels.
Towels.
There's another box of Kleenex. We've got the pooper and the scooper. More towels. Bath mat.
And so you got a tub with the door.
Yeah.
I do prefer a shower versus a tub. And you've got your non-H2O products here.
Your body wash, your conditioner, your shampoo.
Yeah, the norm.
Your rain head shower.
Your rainfall shower head.
That's it.
Your rain head. Yeah, so I mean that's standard. That's fine.
Okay. So first impressions, it's clean.
You got your
Smells good.
makeup mirror here.
Yes, some hotels don't have those.
So
anymore.
just one sink. Some of the resorts will have dual sinks, but you have enough shelves here for your things.
Yeah.
And then more shelves up here for more of your things. But, and this is obviously an adjoining room. You got a door here. Lots of counter space. Lots of outlets to plug in your things. So, all right, well, we're going to head out and give you a resort tour. And it's going to be all that coming up next. We've got the resort tour coming.
Our building, go back and show them.
Oh,
our building
yes.
is literally right in front of the main building.
Yes, that's the main building there. And we got the pool right there on the other side of the tree. I showed you that as we were showing you coming into the room. But yeah.
So this is a preferred room.
It's preferably preferred. Okay, well, let's get our things together and let's head out and do a little bit of
really quick. We're only here for one night.
Yes.
We added on this night to see some friends that were going to be in town
the
same night.
Chloe and Dan.
Here.
Yep.
I think the All-Star Resorts don't get enough love. I think they are perfectly themed. I think they are adorable. Yes, they are on the smaller side. They don't have all the thrills and chills that you were given with like the deluxe and moderate resorts. But if your intention at Disney World is to literally get up in the morning, go to the parks, come back, shower, go to bed, and, you know, repeat, rinse and repeat, this is a perfect room.
Right.
Now, I will say it does sleep 4. I do think 4, you are going to be a little crowded, especially when you start moving your luggage around the room. Right. But for 2 people, I think this is great. Mm-hmm. So, I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm really happy. I can't wait to do the resort tour just because we've never been here before.
I do, last thing to mention, same with so many of the other beds on Disney property. It's a platform, so you have storage for your luggage right underneath. So, all right, well, let's get cleaned up and let's head on out. We'll be back in just a moment, show you the resort.
Well, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action because we are officially back in the Disney bubble and I'm so happy about it. I am so happy because we have another video that's going to go out before this where we were not staying in the Disney bubble and it was not magical.
All right.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Good morning, Jennifer.
Good morning.
So I wanted to give you guys an update on the room, the All-Star Sports room that we were lucky enough to be in last night.
Let me just say, I had 0 expectations coming to this resort. It was the last resort in Disney that I wanted to stay in, if I'm being completely transparent. But it turned out to be one of the best.
Yeah, it was all right. It was okay. It was
very
nice and
comfortable.
Quiet. Yeah, comfortable, quiet. Now, you know, you said sometimes if you have kids here from different schools, like Cheer Squad or something, it might be a little noisier. But, you know, in a pinch, it was fine. It was actually really very nice.
Great shower pressure.
Yes.
Great comfy bed.
Yes.
The thermostat went down to 65.
Yes.
Which I've never seen in an all-star resort. So I don't know if somebody played with that or something.
Yeah,
but
no, I don't know.
I appreciated it.
It was 65. Shower was great. Like that was really good shower pressure. Really hot
Room
water.
was super clean.
Yeah. And then there's one other thing I wanted to show that, well, 2 things really that I didn't catch yesterday. So let me show you that really quick. So one is the door. It's got the sliding door here that offers a little bit of privacy from the sleeping area and the bathroom. So that part's kind of cool. And then the other thing, just in case, if you want to check out your your outfit of the day, there is an actual long mirror on the sliding door going into the bathroom. So, really kind of nice.
So all in all, it was a really comfortable stay. And,
Yeah.
if we come back in February, I would definitely book this again if it's available.
Yeah, I mean, it was
I
actually
don't
really
have a
very
problem with
nice.
that at all.
Yeah, so, all right. Well, we're, that's it. I mean, this was the addendum to our room tour. We're moving on with our day, so join us in that daily vlog video coming up here soon.
Okay, bye.
Bye.